Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your teacher, Ms. Samreen Harun. Children, today we are going to do a question answer of chapter Animals. Children, take out your copy and make a title page of this chapter Animals. Now you have to write the question answer in your copy. First you have to mention the date here. Today is 19 August and 20 and day is Wednesday. Write the question and answer heading on the first line of the copy and leave the one line. And now write the question number 1. The question number 1 is, write 6 animals name who lives on land. 6 animals के नेम लिखिए जो लैंड पर रहते हैं. टाइगर, लायन, जिराफ, काउ, डॉग, फॉक्स. Now the question number 2. Write 6 animals name who lives in underwater. 6 animals के नेम लिखिए जो पानी के अंदर रहते हैं. Crab, starfish, sharkfish, octopus, crocodile, turtle. They are the animals who live in underwater. Now the question number 3. Write 6 birds name. 6 birds name लिखने हैं आपको. Sparrow, eagle, crow, pigeon, parrot, owl. They are the birds. Children, today you have to write the question 1, 2 and 3 in your copy.